Hello everyone, today we are making beautiful coasters. It will be part of the set. Llama pot will be in my next video, please watch it. We are using 4mm crochet hook and Aran cotton. Start with magic loop or magic circle. I will show this slowly, it is very easy pattern. This chain 1 goes as a part of magic circle. Add chain 2 and 15 double crochets in the magic circle. We are using US crochet terms. Finish this round with slip stitch. In the third chain stitch. Round 2. Double crochet, chain 1. Instead of double crochet, I am making 1 single crochet and 2 chain stitches. Make double crochet, chain 1 in each stitch. If you want to download PDF pattern of this crochet pattern, it will be available from my Etsy shop. Please check the description in the link below this video. Make chain 1 and slip stitch to finish second round. Third round it will be double crochet, chain 2. For the first double crochet I am making single crochet, chain 2. All the way around the pattern will be double crochet, chain 2. By working double crochet, chain 2 instead of your first double crochet, instead of chain 3 method, it will give you better finish. You need to try it and have a look for yourself. If you prefer, just make chain 3 as your first double crochet. But believe me, this method gives you much better finish. I'm making chain 1 and changing the yarn for the different color. Attach the new yarn any way you prefer. In double crochet of the previous round. Making double crochet in the next double crochet of the previous round and picot. how to make picot, you make chain 3 and slip stitch in the double crochet of this last double crochet. So you make double crochet picot 4 times. You have made 4 picot, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and this is what you should have: 5 double crochets and 4 picots. Single crochet in the next double crochet and repeat this pattern. Double crochet picot in the next double crochet 4 times and 1 more double crochet. These coasters will be beautiful on their own, or if you add the pot, any pot will do. I'm making llama post. Please watch my next video. This is very cute. It could make a very nice present, birthday present, Christmas present, or just put it around the house just as a decoration, and very useful item. I'm using my coasters all the time. Hope you will find these coasters very pretty and very easy to make. Please put down in the comments what are you using coasters around the house, or maybe you are planning to make coasters for someone's present. It's better to use cotton for coasters, cotton or cotton mix, because it will absorb water or tea much better than acrylic yarn. And repeat this pattern all the way around. I will finish with slip stitch and cut the yarn. This is how I will finish this coaster. I will not make chain 1 and cut the yarn. I will show you how to make invisible finish. You insert your needle in the next stitch and return to the stitch you just finished, to your last stitch, making this last stitch. And this will look better, but it is up to you, it is your choice. Tidy all the tails with the darning needle. I'm going back, forward and back, hiding my tails. Don't forget to watch my next video when I'm making llama pot for these crochet coasters.